Hey everyone, I'm super excited to share a brand new strategy on TradingView with you today. This strategy is perfect for spotting trends and nailing those entry signals in the market. So let's dive right in. First, adding the indicators. First up, we have the Algo Alpha Trend Strength Signals indicator. On the top toolbar, you'll see an indicators button. Click on it and in the search bar, type Algo Alpha Trend Strength Signals. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now, you'll see the indicator appears on your chart with color-coded signals for uptrend and downtrend. This indicator calculates the moving average and a standard deviation of closing price over a customizable period to identify the upper and lower bounds. When the price crosses those bounds, it signals an uptrend or downtrend. The gauge measures market strength by comparing the price to moving average and scaling it over a customizable range. While the underlying logic uses concepts from the Bollinger Bands, this indicator gives a unique perspective on price behavior through added features and signals derived from it. But before we use the indicator, we can customize the settings to fit our trading style. But before that, let me ask you, are you tired of feeling held back by TradingView's limitations? Get ready for a breath of fresh air with FastBull, the incredible totally free platform packed with features you love. With FastBull, you can open a whopping 64 charts simultaneously in their own tabs without spending a single penny. Organize your charts however you want for easy tracking. Plus, enjoy unlimited access to historical data on all charts, unlike TradingView's 5,000 candle limit. Love using indicators? FastBall's got your back. Add as many indicators as you want to chart, all for free. Find anything you need from indices, stocks, to forex, commodities, crypto, and futures. Customize your view with up to 64 charts in one tab. But wait, there's more. FastBall's powerful copy trading system lets you follow and replicate strategies of top traders. Browse the top traders tab to discover successful traders and their impressive results. Find the perfect strategy to copy. Just click copy, link your trading account with any broker and start replicating successful traders. Also, don't miss FastBall's trading competition, where the top 10 participants with highest profits can win cash prizes ranging from $100 to $10,000. Complete and climb the leaderboard for a chance to win big. Last but not least, FastBall Economic Calendar delivers real-time updates on economic events, helping you stay ahead of the market with accurate and timely information. Explore all these fantastic features and more on the FastBall platform. Links are provided in the descriptions below. Experience the difference with FastBall. Now let's get back to our strategy and tweak the Algo Alpha Trend Strength Signal settings to optimize its performance and keep our chart clean and easy to read. Here's how. First, find the Algo Alpha Trend Strength Signals and hop into the Input section. We'll start by disabling the cloud. Next, change the period from 20 to 27. And then change the standard deviation from 2.5 to 3. For gauge size, set to 27 too. Feel free to customize the up and down colors to your liking. Now, move to the Style tab. To help things simple, we'll disable upper and lower lines since we'll be using the indicator as a signal generator. Leave the bar color, bullish and bearish trend options enabled, but let's disable the short TP, long TP, and tables for a clean and tidy chart. And there you have it. We've successfully adjusted the Algo Alpha Trend Strength settings. The Algo Alpha Trend Strength Signals indicator is a great tool, but it's not without its limitation. You may have encountered false signals during ranging markets or counter trend signals like the examples shown. But don't worry, there's a solution. The 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator can help address these issues. By incorporating this indicator into your strategy, you'll have a better grasp of market trend, ultimately reduce the likelihood of losses. So let's head back to the indicator section and add the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to your chart. This valuable addition will enhance your understanding of market trend, leading to more informed trading decisions. So now, to make the most out of this indicator for identifying trends, you'll need to tweak some settings. Here's what I found works best. First, go to the indicator settings and navigate to the Inputs tab. Start by changing the first option to EMA. Then set its period to 21 and customize the color as you prefer. Next, enable the second option. Switch its type to EMA, then set the period to 90 and choose the color that you like. Then enable the third option, select EMA as the type and set the period to 200. Then pick a color of your choice. Lastly, in the Style tab, feel free to adjust the thickness of the MA lines for better visibility on the chart. Alright, let's make identifying trends a breeze. With 3 moving averages on your chart, it's a piece of cake. Here's how it works. The moving average 21 line represents the short-term trend. The moving average 90 shows the mid-term trend, and moving average 200 gives you a glimpse into the long-term trend. So to spot an uptrend, just keep an eye out for the price staying above all 3 moving averages. But pay attention to the order of lines too. In an uptrend, moving average 21 should be at the top, moving average 90 in the middle, and the moving 200 at the bottom. So when you see this pattern, you can confidently say that the market trend is heading upward. The concept for a downtrend is similar to uptrends, but with a few key differences. In a downtrend, look for the price to stay below all 3 moving averages. This suggests that the market is trending downward. The order of the lines is crucial too. You should see moving average 21 as the lowest line, moving 90 in the middle, and moving 200 at the top. Let's examine the scenario step by step. As you see, before the vertical line, it's clear that we are in a downtrend. However, notice the price rising above the EMA 21. This means the short-term trend has changed to an uptrend. Still, checking the EMA 90 and EMA 200 reveals that the mid and long-term trends are still downwards. This is a tricky spot and not ideal for trading, so it's better to wait for more definitive trend. As the price moves further, it surpasses EMA 90 but remains below EMA 200, and you might be tempted to trade. But remember, the long-term trend is still downward. Sticking to our rule of avoiding counter-trend signals is crucial here. Now, observe the next example. See how the EMA lines don't follow the typical order for an uptrend or downtrend? This is known as sideways market. During these times, the price moves erratic, making trading risky. It's advisable to wait until a clear trend develops before entering the market. Alright, now let's break down the steps to enter a buy trade. First, look for a buy signal marked by a green sign below a candle on the chart, courtesy of the trend strength indicator. Next, ensure you're trading in line with an uptrend in the market. Remember those moving averages we talked about? They'll come in handy here. Once you've confirmed these conditions, go ahead and open a buy order at the closing price of the signal candle. Then set a stop loss just below one of the moving average lines to minimize potential losses. And as for your profit target, aim for a risk to reward ratio around 1 to 1.5. This way, you'll be well positioned to make the most out of your winning trades. Now let's walk through the steps for entering a sell trade. First and foremost, you need to find a sell signal indicated by a red sign above a candle on the chart, courtesy of your trusty trend strength indicator. Next, ensure that the market is in a downtrend by using the moving average lines. So, with both conditions met, it's time to open a sell order at the close price of the signal candle. Now, you'll want to set a stop loss just above one of the moving average lines to limit potential losses. And as for your profit target, just like the buy trade, stick to the same risk to reward ratio we mentioned before, around 1 to 1.5. This approach will help you make the most out of your profitable trades. And now, let's dive into some real-life examples to see the strategy in action. In the first scenario, we've got a valid buy signal because the signal candle's closing price is above all the EMA lines and the EMA positioning is spot on. Next, there's a sell signal, but thanks to our trusty moving averages, we know it's a counter-trend signal and will filter it out. In this busy market situation, we've seen a bunch of signals, but our strategy accurately filtered out the fake ones and verified the solid opportunities. This is exactly what makes this approach so effective. Now let's switch gears to the Ethereum 1-minute chart. Here's the first signal is a buy signal in a strong uptrend, just what we're looking for. The next signal is a sell signal, but since we're still in an uptrend, we'll filter it out. Then we have another valid buy signal. Time to check out the Apple 1-hour chart. Here, the first signal is a sell signal, but it's an uptrend, so we'll pass on that one. The following signal is a valid buy signal due to the uptrend of the market. Once again, the next sell signal gets filtered out. And the subsequent buy signal is another great opportunity to enter a trade. So there you have it, as a strategy in action across different scenarios. But if you're itching for even more trading strategies, I've got your cover with another accurate approach right here on the screen.